So today I am going to be talking to you guys about how to find your business transcripts. And usually people who are wanting to find their transcripts, we talked about this before, there are people who want to get your estimated your AGI. Maybe you're buying a house, maybe your kids are going to school, maybe you're going back to school. That will be the reason to find and go get your transcripts, because some mortgage lenders, they want to make sure that you have your transcripts and your taxes are filed properly. Okay, so we are going to hop right into everything. Good morning, everyone. My name is Maishree Rhodes. I am your tax GPS, helping you to navigate through taxes. And like I said, today we're going to be talking about how to find your business transcripts. So the first thing you're going to do to find your business transcripts is you're going to go to the IRS website, irs.gov, and you're going to type in to find your transcript. Once you get there, the difference between finding your personal transcript and your business transcript is that your personal transcript can be, you can get it over the web or mailed. Your business transcript, you're going to have to get that mailed out to you, and it's the form 4506T. You fill out that form. You're going to have your EIN number, your EIN address. Now this is the address that you have online or on file with the IRS. The original name on your tax return too. All of this stuff has to match, because if it doesn't match, the IRS will kick it back and you won't be able to get that information. And I know some people may have some things going on where you really need that transcript right off bat. I had a client who needed the transcript because they were in the midst of purchasing a home, so they had to get the transcript. So I just want to let you guys know that this is the proper protocols to do to get your transcripts. So the second thing that I want you guys to know is that you have to, when you're filling out the form, make sure that one of the approved representatives sign the form, meaning that if it's an estate, or it has to have one of the people on the board that's signed in for it, or that person, the shareholder, has to be at least more than 1% owner of it. So you have to have one of those people who have authority to sign the form. You just can't say, okay, have your tax professional fill it out, or you fill it out, and no one with authority to represent your company has signed the form. So make sure that they get the form signed. Once the form is signed and filled out completely, you want to mail it out. Now, it's going to take some time to mail it out. My other suggestion is, when you're mailing it out, every form gets mailed out to a different place depending on what state. So when you go on the form, it'll show you what address to send it to. So make sure you send it to the right place, and getting it to there. It takes up to 30 days. Once you send it out, when you go to the to mail it out, I always suggest doing a tracking number on the mailing, whatever you're mailing out, because if you're mailing it out in the IRS, what if the IRS doesn't get it? And that, it happens all the time. The IRS may not get it, and there's no one held accountable for what you are mailing out. So go ahead and make sure that when you mail anything to the IRS, not just this particular document, anything you mail to the IRS, you want to make sure that you are tracking it. You have your tracking code, because they're human just like us. They may make a mistake and anything like that. But say if you owe them money and you're trying to resolve an issue and you had 30 days and they're like, no, you didn't send it, but you know you sent it. So then you have this proof. You have this little ticket that says, no, I sent it, and I sent it on time. So we now have to go back and do some things differently. Okay, so I want to recap on everything. If you are filing your business, not filing your business taxes, if you want to get your business transcript, you need to go to the IRS and sign up to get the transcript and fill out a form 4506T, and this is for the business transcript. Make sure you fill out all the paperwork, and on this form, make sure that you have a representative that is a part of the business and owns at least a more than 1% share of the business signature, so that you're able to get the proper documentation you need. Once you mail it off, make sure it has the right address. Make sure that you get a tracking for it, and it takes up to 30 days to receive the information. You can also track, once you mail it in, you can say, where is my transcript, and you can track that. So just make sure that you're keeping abreast on that thing. Anyone who is looking for, maybe you're going back to school, maybe you are trying to get a mortgage, maybe you're trying to verify your information, verify your income coming in. Those are all reasons why you would have to look for this business transcript, or for business, for corporations or states. Those would be the reason. Do you guys, so if you need if you are needing any help, go ahead and DM me, put a comment in the comment section below. Whatever questions you may have, I am definitely here for your assistance, just to give you a better understanding of the tax industry and bookkeeping industry, of how it works and how to go about navigating it, because it can be a little tricky and a little intimidating, and I'm just here to help ease everything over. If you need some extended assistance, I do offer free 15-minute consultations just to help you guys out. If you're looking to recap on some videos, I do have a YouTube channel where you can go and get some tax tips from me. Yeah. So until next time, my name is Maisha Rhodes, your tax GPS, helping you to navigate your way through taxes.